So nga pala guys, kaka-update ko lang ng Call of Duty Mobile sa aking YouTube. Eh naputol, nakalimutan ko bigyan ko kayo ng attachment. Eh ito na guys, ito, yan, 89 for 54 8, ito 69 pala. And pati yung M16 kahit prrrt ako pa MVP. And iron pa lang yan pero mukhang malakas na. And palitan ko lang nito kasi ibang attachment naman yung gagamitin ko eh. Yung yung pang may lang, baka kailangan nila ng attachment eh. Mamaya muna. So ito yung unang makukuha nila. Pag ito yung unang nakuha nila is mamimigay na tayo ng attachments. And teka lang guys, stop ko muna tapos paliwanag ko lang sa inyo. So ito na pala guys, ayan, 74, 62, ayan, mukha na yan yung attachment na yan. Basta mag-MVP ako, yun lang yung goal ko, mag-MVP. Let's go na, let's start ko na guys, tapos papasok ko na, tapos dyan na tayo. So nandito na tayo, testing natin pag may enemies na. Yan, Desert Eagle, kaya yung akin ama na si papagiliwag pa. Pagpasensyahan nyo muna, kaya yan, may S. May S yun may S. Alam nyo naman pag S eh, diba? May sumpong. Kanyang nawawala yung kanyang wallet. Patay kayo dyan. And the enemy targets in sight. And stealth chopper awaiting. Enemy ready. Hardpoint contested. Enemy inside. Capture the objective. Sino ang kalaban? Contact with enemy. Ito pag nag-start pa lang kayo mag Call of Duty Mobile, ang unang nyo makakuha ito, hawak ko. Cheese. Enemy contact. Maganda rin siya pang long range. Contact with enemy. Maganda siya pang long range. Wala siyang recoil guys, konti lang. Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Enemy contact. Target down. Konti lang recoil niya guys. Contact with enemy. Targets in sight. Hostiles have a hard point. Wala nang bala. Mabot ka. Nice. Guys, tipid tayo sa bala guys. Desert Eagle guys. Enemy contact. Hardpoint locked down. Target down. Hardpoint contested. Enemy in sight. Hardpoint identified. Captured. Enemy down. Hostiles have captured the hardpoint. Swarm activated. Maganda rin to guys, oh. Pwede pang long range.
Enemy contact. Enemy down. Enemy contact. Targets in sight. Enemy down.
Ay, naku. Ba't nag-slow motion siya?
Swarm activated.
Tank.
Hardpoint is
For sure guys, subscribe kayo biglaan kasi biglaan ako ang MVP dito. Kasi pag
lost.
nagsusubscribe kayo ay yung silbing panghil ko para lumakas.
Enemy contact. Target down. Taking back. Cover me. Contact with enemy. Taking back.
Yung
Targets in sight.
mukhang kailangan natin chopper gunner.
Chopper inbound.
Dito. Subscribe na kayo guys ha. Pag ako nag-game MVP dito.
Sniper.
Hostiles have captured the hardpoint.
Contact with enemy.
Hardpoint locked down. Hardpoint contested.
Get down.
Captured.
Sniper.
Chopper on standby.
Targets in sight. Targets in sight.
Hostiles have the hardpoint.
Target down.
Oh no. Oh,
Contact
no,
with
no,
enemy.
no, no.
Swarm activated.
Headshot. Sniper.
Hardpoint is ours.
Reload.
Tango down.
Hardpoint contested. Objective almost complete. Keep it up.
Enemy down.
Hardpoint contested. Hardpoint
Targets in sight.
capture the objective.
Enemy contact. Contact with enemy. Tango down.
Pag gumagamit kayo nito guys kasi minsan may recoil to eh. Sa baba dapat tutok na ito eh.
Boom! Headshot.
Nice.
Contact with enemy.
MVP. Like and subscribe guys. MVP.
Get down, sniper. Sniper.
Bilangin niyo